like for you? Is that just you've got it all and you're completing with ChatGPT or with Copilot? Are you typing into ChatGPT
I'm all
or
in on
using an
Cursor
agent?
now.
Okay.
I churned twice before like really sticking with it.
Yeah.
And I've been really,
Cursor's the
happy.
way.
You too. I'm the odd one out.
Bias disclosure, I'm an investor. I threw them some money because I thought, because I really liked what they were doing. I also invested in SuperMaven, the super fast VS Code model. It's not VS Code, but it's like a code model that trains on your diffs instead of training just on your code base. So it knows like recency really, really well. And it's so fast that it's like literally every character press, and I type at 120, 130 words per minute. Every character would make a new suggestion. It was nuts. And they were pretty good suggestions. So I love SuperMaven. I invested a decent bit of my own money there. SuperMaven just got acquired by Cursor to improve the speed of their like model for the autocomplete. But honestly, what I'm at the point at now is I don't want the like autocomplete while I'm typing.
Mm-hmm.
I want it when I've like decided what I'm doing next, and I'll write the name of the function, or what I do now because it's Cursor, Command K, say what I want, and it does a pretty good job. My favorite thing though, and I do this all the time now, is like when I'm working on a project that has like a lot of pieces, and I build like feature 3 and realize, oh, this is how I should have built features 1 and 2. Previously, I'd go back and make those changes. Now I just open up like the Cursor thing and say, hey, these 3 files. I like this one. I don't like those. Make the other 2 like this. And it does it so well.
Yes, that is
so good.
Brilliant. Same thing of like, build this like this one.
Yes.
And it just does it. Or like conceptual transformations. Refactor this file to approach this way.
Yeah. So with the 1 at 5 stacks video I just did, as I did each stack, I improved the styles of the site each time. And by the time I got to the end and I had styles I really liked for the final version, I was like, oh, the rest should match the style. So I just copied the like JSX from the main page component on like the main thing and just copied that, went to the Rails app, selected it, dropped in the code I wrote in the TypeScript one and said, hey, make this styled like this. And it just does it.
Yeah, I did one recently where it was like, we have this old legacy Prisma JS app, and we have this new Rails app. Here's the Prisma code. Make it work in Rails.
Yep.
It's bonkers.
It's so cool.
Wow. I'm clearly just not approaching AI in the same way as you guys.
I was so skeptical initially, and once you have it in your editor in that way, and you train yourself to like before this, I would avoid doing the tedious tasks. Like I have a team, I have other engineers, I have open source contributors. Like I can scaffold out, make this work, leave it ugly but functioning. What I used to do is I would rewrite the same project 3 times until I settled on like the version I liked. Now the first one, as I'm incrementally working on it, and like I've always had this when I work in like a new feature, a new project, code base, whatever, where as you're working in it, your own intuition on how to do it right improves. Like the reason the Rust rewrite is faster isn't just because Rust is faster, it's because you're realizing the things you could have done the first time. And that's like if you talk to somebody like Ryan Carniato, the creator of Solid.js, one of the things he says a lot is stop treating rewrites like they say anything about the tech you used, because the second time you write the system, you're going to write it better. With AI, I can adjust the system as I find these things much faster.
Yes, well, and there's a key there that I think is important, and we've been talking about this, which is those adjustments, you are refining your mental model of what the thing is. And the gap I see between people who fail trying to apply AI to code and those who seem to use it to thrive is those who delegate their mental model to the AI versus those who use the AI to do the tedium as they evolve the mental model.
Yes. Like I've never asked an AI how to do something. I've asked it to do this thing. And I think that's a huge difference.
Different topic.